Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. English Speaking Course, Day 2 Notes. Objective. Learn common greetings and small talk. Practice basic conversation skills. Warm-up activity. Review Day 1 content. Who remembers how to introduce themselves in English? Ask 2 to 3 students to introduce themselves. Greetings in English. Teach common greetings and responses. Greeting. Response. Hello. Hello. /hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Small talk questions. Teach simple questions for small talk. What is your name? My name is Abdullah. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? Where are you from? I am from India. What do you do? I am a student/teacher/worker. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken biryani. Role play activity. Pair students and ask them to practice a conversation. Greet each other. Ask and answer 3 to 4 small talk questions. Example. Student A, hello. How are you? Student B, I am fine, thank you. And you? Student A, I am fine too. What is your name? Common polite expressions. Teach polite words and phrases. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Practice game. Find someone who game. Give students a list of small talk questions. They must walk around and ask classmates the questions to find someone with matching answers. Homework. Write a short dialogue using greetings and small talk. Example. A, hello. How are you? B, I am fine, thank you. And you? A, I am fine too. What is your name? B, my name is Umar. End the class. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.